Here we encounter an even more complicated scenario. You are alone on the boat and may not have enough space in the port to maneuver and present the stern at the quay. If the wind is strong, don't hesitate to approach with a cross line and lean on a neighboring boat. Remember to remove the fenders first. The approach is straightforward. Upon entering the mooring, proceed parallel to the quay with the wind across. Once you have passed the mooring space, put the boat in reverse and position the stern towards the wind. When you are 2 meters from the quay, lean on the neighboring boat. If the wind is slightly oblique, choose the downwind neighbor. Continue to move forward and stabilize the boat 1 meter from the quay, using the engine in reverse. Ensure that you have prepared a cross line fixed on one of the bow cleats, with the free end in the cockpit. Once leaning against the neighboring boat, put the boat in neutral with the steering wheel in the middle position and tighten the cross line on the neighboring boat's cleat. At this point, the boat should no longer move. You can take a moment to rest before securing the stern mooring lines.